Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty with DEWY. Today I'm just going to do a tutorial on how I do my makeup for work. And first I'm just priming my face with Pacifica Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. And then right here I'm going in with my Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in the color Deep. This step is something I do because I have super greasy skin, and this helps alleviate the grease that's going to peek through by the end of the day. Now I'm filling in and shaping my eyebrows with the Milani EASYBROW Automatic Pencil in the color Dark Brown. And after I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to use the spoilie on the other end just to brush through all of that product that I just put on my eyebrows. And just to make my eyebrows look a little darker, I'm going with the E.L.F. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in the color Espresso. And yeah, I kind of messed up right there, but when we go in and clean up our eyebrows, we can get that shape back to where we want it. And just to make my eyebrows look natural, I'm using my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Tint pen in the color Deep Brown. And I'm only using this in the inner area of my eyebrows. And now to clean up our eyebrows, we are going to use our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And we're going to use this to shape up these eyebrows and make them crisp. And after we're done cleaning up our eyebrows, we're going to wet our beauty blender and blend out this product. Right here I'm using my Maybelline my Maybelline concealer in the color Cocoa, just to cover up my acne spots. Now we are going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation in the color Mocha. And for the eyeshadow, we'll be using the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. First, we are going with the color Zoya as a base. And then for my crease, we're going to use the color Jamila. And for our lower lid, we are going to be using Sokoto. And once we place all of these colors, I'm going to go in and take my blending brush and blend all these colors evenly so there's no rough lines and you can see all the transitions smoothly. Now on to highlighting. We are going to be using the Maybelline concealer in the color Caramel. And I'm just highlighting the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, and my cupid's bow and my chin. And I like to do everything in a U motion or a circular motion, as you can see. This helps give off the illusion that you have natural light hitting your face. for my contour, I'll be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. This palette has all cream colors, and it's good for people with darker skin. I personally prefer powder contour, but they discontinued my favorite powder by Shea Butter, so this works just as good and it's just as beautiful on my skin. And now I'm going to go in and highlight those same areas with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. And then I'm going to go right back over those places I highlighted with the Hard Candy Loose Banana Finishing Powder. I kind of got it messy there, so make sure you tap off all the excess product before you make a mess like me. And while that's baking, I'm going to go in with my eyelashes from AyobaCosmetics in the style Flutter. And they are perfect for going to work. They look super natural. Now I'm just brushing off all the rest of that excess powder. And for my lips, I'm going with my E.L.F. lip primer and plumper. I'm using the plumper just for moisture. It does smell like cinnamon and it tingles your lips a little. And the only downfall about the primer is that it tints your lip a little bit, but it really doesn't alter it that much. And once again, I'm going in and highlighting. You can never highlight too much. And now for my lips, I'm going in and lining my lips with the color Rich Chocolate. Excuse my mistake on the screen. I put Brick Red in the video, but it's actually the Rich Chocolate liner. And then for the actual lipstick, I'm going in with my sheer lipstick Wine by AyobaCosmetics. I'm not going to use it heavy because I want my lip to look natural. And then we're going in with our Essence Big Lashes Mascara to add more volume to these lashes. And the final step here coming up, we're going to use Catrice Prime and Fine to set our face. And then voila, this is the finished product. I have to go and curl my hair, but for the most part, we are ready to go to work, y'all. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this look, and be sure to subscribe to watch more makeup tutorials. Bye, y'all.